another episode of Metamorphosis series. On this platform, we share words of hope, wisdom, inspiration, and support. Our warriors talk about their journey both during and after the cancer treatment. We welcome our guest today, Amita ji. Amita Singh is a master's in gold medalist in food and nutrition. And after starting her career in PGI Chandigarh, she has been practicing clinical nutrition for the last 40 years. She has developed nutrition communication material for several international agencies like UNICEF, World Bank, CARE, HelpAge, etc. The material developed by her has been used extensively by these communities. She's also on the panel of Raj Bhavan, Child and Women Welfare Department for the government. Welcome, Amita ji. Thank you for agreeing to share your story with us.
Thank you, Nidhi. Thank you for having me. It's an honor to be here and to be able to share my thoughts with such an august audience, honestly.
Okay, Amita ji. I would like to start by knowing a little about your cancer journey. When did you feel that you need to show yourself to a doctor?
Okay, Nidhi, it was somewhere in May 2017 that while finishing up with my bath and bending down to wipe myself, I felt a very tiny, मूंग दाल के बराबर का एक मेरे को ना दाना सा दिखा अंडर माय राइट ब्रेस्ट एंड इट वाज बिल्कुल अंडर जो फोल्ड होता है वहां पे. नॉर्मली हम लोग शायद वहां फील भी नहीं करेंगे, इवन व्हेन वी आर ट्राइंग टू मतलब करेंगे थोड़ा कोशिश. That is when I felt it, and I, being a health professional, I actually for a while I just froze because एक instinctively मेरे को लगा कि ये वही तो नहीं है, kind of a thing. So I just froze, but I said no, this now अब ये नहीं हो सकता अब मेरे साथ, because I'd been through a difficult journey. I said अब ये नहीं हो सकता. So I just kept it in abeyance. Since I see cases of oncology also, मेरे को पता था क्या factors हैं which can prevent and or sort of support a healthy lifestyle. So I worked harder on those. And May से actually you won't believe it, but beginning of September आ गया और मैंने push back करती रही. But somewhere in August I started feeling कि नहीं, I need to do it. ओनम फेस्टिविटीज थी हमारे हॉस्पिटल में, मुझे अभी भी याद है, जिसके बाद एक मेरी प्रेजेंटेशन थी क्रिटिकल केयर न्यूट्रिशन पे. इट वाज अ सैटरडे, आई नो दिस, एंड सैटरडे को मैंने वो प्रेजेंटेशन की. एंड यूजुअली प्रेजेंटेशन के बाद सब एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं. मैं वहां से निकल आई क्योंकि मेरे दिल में एक था कि मेरे को अब ये हैंडल करना ही है. And I rang up my sister-in-law, God bless her. She's Dr. Shelly Chadha, my brother's wife. She's with WHO. मैंने उसको phone किया. She was out of Geneva at that time, somewhere in Germany. But she heard me out and she said, Didi, right away, अभी आप जाओ और surgeon से मिलो. So I was not very keen on doing that. I don't know why I hesitated. The next morning, I spoke with my brother, who is in Delhi with my father. So he promptly fixed up appointments for me on Monday itself. Then I told I had told my husband that very morning before telling my brother. And my husband is a doctor and at that time he was still in service. He is a professor in the medical college here, a brilliant person. And he he's not a very keen flyer, but because मैंने तो decided था कि I like to use the flight more. So he said, okay, I'll come along. And so we both flew down on Monday. And पहले हम लोग because of one of the colleagues' experience, we had gone to Medanta The surgeon was very nice, but somehow something seemed to be missing to me, you know, somehow. मतलब कुछ सब tests भी हुए, MRI वगैरह भी हुआ. The surgeon was very nice. She was wonderful. But कुछ चीजें जैसे हुई, but I was a little unnerved. Then there was a little bit of a goof up there, so that put me off. And ultimately फिर हमने वही हुआ, medical circles के through बात हुई, तो Dr. Harit Chaturvedi का नाम आया. And you know, my father is also a doctor, and he's a very senior surgeon, knows Dr. Harit. और मैंने जैसे ही जब उनको बताया, तो he was very clear कहाँ जाना है, kind of a thing, you know. And I'm so grateful for that. I'm just cannot put it into words. And that's how we went to Dr. Harit, who looked at all the tests which were done. And what can I say about him? I think most of us have been through him, and we know what it's like. It's like so sublime, you know.
Yeah, that's
it's
true.
like you've been cocooned in care, and you know you are in good hands.
Yeah, exactly.
That's how the whole thing sort of started.
Now, Miss Amita, एक बात बताइए. For someone who has been in the healthcare domain, you know, what did it feel like to be declared, okay, now you have this, so now you're a patient?
Yes, it was, I'll tell you. पहले तो very strange thing you will find. I felt it in May, but you won't believe it. For the last 7-8 months, I had been specifically working in nutrition in cancer. Okay.
Look at that.
हमारा भोपाल में AIIMS जो है, they have a winter school of oncology where all over India say medical students of 4th year, 3rd year, 4th year they come. And I was asked to make the presentation, a very detailed presentation on this, nutrition in oncology. I did that. It was an excellent interactive session. उसी के बाद surgeons ने, they asked me to present one. I did that. उसी के थोड़े से गैप के बाद इंडियन डायटिटिक एसोसिएशन का हमारा एक हुआ, वहां भी मैंने यही प्रेजेंट किया. And there was still it was a series of things I did that, you know. And I never thought here I'm going to be doing this. क्या होगा? But you know, there is one thing. I, being in the health, this thing, I have come across a lot of people who have had breast cancer, and they're doing extremely well 15 years, 20 years down the line. So I did not, at least at that point, I did not allow it to cloud me. Ki, this is the end of the road. No, not at all. वो तो मैंने actually सोचने का कुछ, मतलब वो मैंने नहीं सोचा. No, I was hoping it wouldn't be that. But when it was, I have an amazing,
I can understand,
brother, sister-in-law, sister.
Yeah.
So
for all of us जो ये program देख रहे हैं, or like who are listening to Mrs. Amita Singh, we need to know this. For a person who has been working in this domain, even she ignored it. She felt it in May, and then she finally started working on it, or she consulted a doctor actually in the month of August. So again, we every time say this on this platform, that please, all of our warriors have been saying this, that let us not brush it under the carpet. Let's not do it. Please, women, please, girls, please, ladies, anybody who's seeing us here, please don't do this. This is a mistake which so many of us have done. And like Amita ji is saying, that it can be handled, it is well taken care of, but you need to take that initial step of going to the doctor. Right, Amita ji?
Absolutely right. You won't believe it. जब पता लगा तो, you know, my doctor colleagues, so one of them, such a wonderful person, he's a nephrologist, he told me, he says, oh, his mother got it, all the sisters got it, but they all died of old age.
See, what a big thing.
Right in front of me, one of my colleagues was detected way back in 2000. By God's grace, she's doing absolutely fine till today. And then I'll tell you, just at one point, you know, somehow I broke down a bit. Okay. And I sat down. Yeah, but just at one point I did. So my husband was standing a little away, but a young doctor was going past. And he said, ma'am, what is wrong? look in distress. And he picked me up because I had gone onto the parapet to sit. He picked me up. I was in the corridor. He picked me up and he held me like this. And I laid my head on his chest. His name was Dr. Sharma. I don't know if he'll ever hear me. But I told him what had happened. And I said, I've got to have double mastectomy. He said, oh, congratulations. I looked up at him. He said, yeah, my mother got it so many years back. She's fine, even now. This is the easiest thing to handle. What is the problem? That pulled me together, at that point of time. So, and ab main kya karti hu? Airport pe, they do the security check. The women, wherever I find a little bit of a niche, I tell them, get yourself checked. Tell your colleagues to get themselves checked. Do it every month. I make it a point to do it, Nidhi. I make it a point to do it.
Now, Amitaji, I'm aware that your disease was preceded by extended years of stress, which perhaps lasted for many, many years. Do you think that stress could have been one of the causes of your breast cancer?
Nidhi, I know. I have spoken with Dr. Rohtagi also about it. Yes, I had, prior to my diagnosis, at least 7 to 8 years of a very, very difficult. I wouldn't wish it on anyone. The ramifications of that have been very, very big. I know science doesn't support it, but I feel, how can stress, when we know that it's the cause of so many diseases, how can it not have had an effect? It must have lowered my immunity. I know it did. I know that I was going through sheer hell. I didn't know which way to turn at that point of time. And at that age, you see, there's an age for everything. There is an age when you can handle it easier, when you're younger and all. But I had been through so much already. And when I was handling this particular stress, I was devastated.
Yeah.
It's like, वो कहते हैं ना, जमीन पैर के नीचे से जमीन खिसकना, वो मेरी वो सिचुएशन थी. मैं बहुत ज्यादा उसके बारे में इसलिए नहीं बताना चाहती, मतलब बता सकती हूँ, to be very honest.
Yeah, but there's no point because our focus is right now. Yeah, it makes sense. What she's trying to emphasize is that yes, that stress, perhaps she feels, and I also feel. So, like, there are two women here saying that stress जरूरी है हम दोनों के हिसाब से, शायद कुछ तो असर करता ही है, because there are two women who share a similar thought process. Okay, so now let's go on to another thing. Amita ji, you're from Bhopal, correct? You had your treatment, you came down to Delhi, you had your treatment which lasted for more than a year. बहुत सारे और लोग भी हैं जो और जगहों से आते हैं, दिल्ली, मुंबई, चेन्नई में अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराते हैं. तो जब आप अपना घर छोड़ते हो, अपना कंफर्ट जोन छोड़ते हो, एंड यू कम टू दिल्ली और लंबा टाइम है, सो व्हाट डिड यू डू? आपने क्या किया? अपने आप को कैसे संभाला? बिकॉज यू नीड टू हैव अ रूटीन ऑफ सम सॉर्ट. कुछ तो करना ही पड़ता होगा अपने आप को कंफर्ट करने के लिए, टू लाइक रिमेन इन दैट स्टेट जो अपने घर पे भी नहीं. व्हाट डिड यू डू?
So I must tell you, first of all, that when I realized this was it, so I had to go and tell the director of my hospital. He's also the intensivist of my hospital where I work, National Hospital in Bhopal, Dr. P.K. Pandey. I'm very proud to take his name and to tell him. I don't think I'll ever be able to repay his warmth, his care, his concern, and the kind of support he gave me. So I get emotional talking about it. He was taught by my husband, and he's been taught by my husband, much, much younger to me, almost 10 or 12 years younger to me. And after that, I came down to Delhi. And my family, my maternal family, my father, my mother was no more at that time. I had my surgery finished at 4. At 6 o'clock, my sister-in-law timed it in such a way that she entered my room. She flew in, she entered my room, and the hug she gave me, because she knew mommy is not there. Of course, she's much younger to me, but the hug she gave me, the way she put me on to prayers and old Hindi film songs. So when Dr. Harith came for the round, he was surprised to see me quite cheerful. And the credit of that goes to all of them. Within hours, Dr. Pandey rang up to ask how I was. And when I told him that I had already been to the washroom, he says, ma'am, pehle to aap has ke mere se baat kariye. If after such a surgery you can go to the washroom, you've got nothing to, it's nothing, it's done, it's finished with. And my father's routine, and I always emphasize this, he's very disciplined. See, as a surgeon, he's always been disciplined. Abhi to thoda elderly bahut ho gaye hain, but even then, that 5:45 उठना, उठ के फिर ये करना, exercise करना, walk करना, पानी पीना, ये वो. So because he insisted that I sleep in the same room, the result was कि मुझे उठना ही पड़ता था. But that set the tone for my whole day. So my day was so beautifully in routine. And I personally feel the fact that I didn't sleep on till 8 or 8:30, 9 o'clock, no break. No. With that, I had to have breakfast on time. I had to get up. I had to have my bath, this, that, and the other. I think that routine helped tremendously. And friends, I must tell you, I give credit to that routine for the fact that, I never had a problem sleeping. All through the treatment, I never, except, jab chemo hoti hai, to first day was steroids de dete hain, then you are like a powerhouse of energy. वो जो कुछ दिल करता है उठ के सारी रात काम ही कुछ ना कुछ करते ही रहो, kind of a thing. उस चीज को छोड़ के I never had a problem with sleep. There was no issues at all because itna routine tha, itna set tha, the body clock set itself, you see. So this is the other thing which I always say. Have a routine. Get up, even if you don't feel like it. Brush your teeth, comb your hair, or if there is hair. I mean, chemo mein to wo bhi chale gaye the. Whatever, you see. Apply some cream or whatever it is and have your breakfast on time, even whatever miserable bit you are able to eat. Then divide your day. इतने से इतने बजे ये करना है, फिर जाके लेट जाना है, फिर अब एक्सरसाइज करनी है, अब ये करना है. I think that helped me tremendously.
Well said, Amita ji. Very well. ये जो बात अमिता जी कह रही हैं वो इतना बड़ा पावर हाउस है, इतनी कहने पे it might sound something very small, but what she said, have a routine. This routine helps and she's explained it so beautifully for us. जैसा अमिता जी ने बताया, well, she's a working woman and she's saying that जब उन्होंने अपने डायरेक्टर को बताया, डॉक्टर पांडे को, they were very supportive, which was my next question, that she had to face any trouble at her workplace. She's already answered that for us. No, she did not face any trouble, which is very lucky for us. So कोई अगर ये recording देखता है, this video of ours, if people are watching who are employers, so you can understand the pleasure, the emotion, the emotions that have overwhelmed Amita ji when she's talking about her boss, her director, how his support.
Not only the director, Nidhi, my whole hospital, my senior nursing staff who were with me, the colleagues I work with, the messages, I mean, honestly, I'm telling you, Dr. Sandesh Sharma, Dr. Naamdev, and all these people, they're very, very super specialists. The love and, I mean, the messages they sent me, they were so, sometimes they would send a joke. I remember once radiotherapy में इतनी मेरे को pain तब तक हो रही थी, throat में बहुत pain हो रही थी. I couldn't swallow, And I was to go in for the session and suddenly there was this joke from Dr. Pandey. To be very honest, I wanted to laugh, but the laugh was making me feel, the pain. But ये कभी joke आ रहे हैं, कभी कोई incidents आ रहा है, कभी missing you आ रहा है. it made me feel so warm and so nice. So I think anytime when we can give this kind of support also to anybody, it is very, very, very important. I can never repay these people. There's no way I can repay these people.
That's true. अच्छा अमिता जी, जैसे आपने कहा अभी योर लाइक थ्रोट वाज हर्टिंग जब रेडिएशन में गए थे, पूरी जर्नी में सर्जरी के दौरान, देन आफ्टर दैट वी हैव कीमो और सम पीपल हैड बिफोर द सर्जरी कीमो, there are innumerable concerns that arise. बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, छोटी छोटी बड़ी बड़ी. आपके पास तो आपने कहा कि डॉक्टर्स थे, यू नो, एंड यू योरसेल्फ आर फ्रॉम अ हेल्थ केयर फ्रेटर्निटी, तो आपको तो आसान था. बट फिर भी जो ढेर सारे कंसर्न्स छोटे बड़े थे जो आपके आते थे, whom did you turn to? आप भाग के गूगल करते थे या डॉक्टर्स के पास, या आपका हस्बैंड है आपके, यू नो, सो मेनी पीपल दैट यू मेंशन, whom did you turn to for your छोटे बड़े concerns during treatment?
Okay, Nidhi, first of all, I must tell you, I did not Google. I did not go on to this कि ये negative है, ये positive है, ये क्या मतलब. I did not do it because I know, since I am a healthcare professional, that it's a lot of information, but it is not for me to interpret that. Number one. Number two, I think I've been blessed with the team I have gone through, you know, whose hands I've been through. Dr. Harit, Dr. Nitesh Rohtagi, Dr. Charu. Any concern, very frankly, I would go to them first and foremost. I would ask their answer. I would listen to their answer. And those of you who've been there, you would know that they take all the time in the world to convince you and to answer you to the best that they can. That was first thing. And the second thing was this wonderful, wonderful, the first chemo I was going through, this lady just looks in and say, "Hi, I'm Radhika." I said, "Oh," I wondered. I said, "I don't know anyone here. How is she coming here?" She said, "I'll just be back. You know, I've got to see somebody." I said, "Okay." So she came back and she introduced herself and me to this volunteer group that is there, the Max group, which is there. And she made me join that group. And it was like, you know, a ray of hope, sunshine, whatever you want to call it. And every time I've had, and I've got a question, Abibi, which I'm going to put on the this thing group. See, and you just put it there, and what do you have? You have a phenomenal response to all your queries. Suddenly, there'll be some people who will definitely make sure that they answer your question in some form or the other. Jaisa bhi hai, and you get reassured. And then if you're still not satisfied, then definitely one goes to the doctor. But always the doctor, not just anybody, not the Google. No, I have not gone to the Google. I did tell Dr. Nitesh Rohtagi, "You tell me what is to be done. You do your best for me. I will do what you tell me to do. So you please guide me." That's the only thing I did. And I'm afraid I'm not keen even now to go on to that Google and look at it. No, I'm not keen.
Yeah. So the support group, again, we see the great support system, as the name suggests, of course. क्योंकि क्या होता है, बहुत बारी आई थिंक बहुत छोटे छोटे कंसर्न्स है जो अब व्हेन वी थिंक इन हाइंडसाइट छोटे लगते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, बट उस टाइम पे एक छोटा सा, यू नो, सपोज यू हैव अ पेन समवेयर या यू हैव अ डायरिया, तो एंड देन अगर कोई बाकी लोग 6-7 लोग और ग्रुप पे बोले कि हाँ मुझे भी हुआ था, इवन आई एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, ये ले लो, यू कुड हैव दिस कर्ड और समथिंग, वो बहुत रीअश्योरिंग हो जाता है. करेक्ट? So the support group is why very, very important for all of us. Dr. Amita, am I audible? I have a feeling the connection.
Now you are. Now you
Okay.
are. In between, you were not. Yeah.
Oh, I thought so. Looking at the expression. Okay. So again, I repeat myself. So the support group plays a very, very important role in the lives and the journey of people who are undergoing the cancer treatment. So please do not shy away from joining a support group wherever you are. There are so many forums available, both online and offline. प्लीज उनको ज्वाइन करिए, शर्माइए मत. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपके, बहुत सारी क्वेरीज आपकी आंसर हो जाएं. In addition to the doctors who are always there to help us treat us. अमिता जी, एक बात बताइए, do you think the fear of recurrence, it bothers you, it nags you, आप परेशान होते हो?
कौन नहीं होता? जरा सा कुछ हो जाता है ना, you know, and you connect it, you see. So I think that's also a natural thing. So I don't blame myself too much for it कि negative सोच रहे हो. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Because there are times when you try to be positive, but you're not able to be positive. So it's okay for a while to allow yourself to, I think that's how I am built. कि allow yourself to feel that a little bit. And after that, pull yourself up, because nobody else is going to be able to do it. Only well up to said. A point others can. You have to pull up yourself. अच्छा, एक बात और बताऊं. कुछ भी करो, मेडिटेट करो, म्यूजिक लो, डांस लो, जो चीज आपको लगता है that will pull you out, have a list of those things. Have a list of those things. And when you feel down and out, you know, think of those things. So I have certain things, like I have my growing up years in Nigeria, glorious time. My 11, 12 years, I grew up there. Those wonderful years, the schooling, the college, and all those type of things. So the photographs are there, the thoughts are there, that driveway, that address, and all those things. The minute I think about them, I feel different. There are many other things, many others. So have a list of those kind of things. Think of them and pull yourself together. You know, I want to just share this. I work in a critical care unit. And at times, what we see is so painful. And the doctors, of course, must be getting used to it. They have to. They can't possibly live with it. But honestly, there are times when you feel so much pain of the other. And you realize, sab to theek hai. What's wrong? Kuch nahi hai. Sab theek hai. You are not lying there, na? You are not lying on any bed, na? You are in your house. You are getting up in the morning. अपने घर में radio on करो. भूले बिसरे गीत आ जाएगा. Switch on some, whatever. You can have your cup of tea. Because I remember I told you I had a very bad time prior to this. The fact that I can sit back and have a cup of tea with freedom, for me, that itself. So there are a lot of things one can locate in your life to feel grateful for. Lots of things. Any achievement which you did, think back on it and you'll feel grateful and you'll feel happier and you'll feel, okay, ठीक है, हुआ था, हो गया, हो रहा है, निकल जाएंगे.
Beautiful words, Dr. Amita. It's so nice hearing you say that. I myself am getting so inspired listening, to what you have to say. अब एक बात बताओ, Amita ji. Do you think there's anything that you want to say to people, or to society? What should they do, or something they should not do when they meet somebody who's undergoing the cancer treatment? What I mean to say is, do you think कि कुछ चीजें ऐसी थी जो आप चाहते हो कि लोग ऐसा ना करते जब आप ट्रीटमेंट के दौरान थे?
कमेंट्स ना पास करें. सिर्फ एक ही बात कही है, कैन आई बी ऑफ हेल्प? मेरे को बताओ मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. डोंट पास कमेंट्स. कटवाया, कितना कटवाया, कैसे कटवाया, अच्छा फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ, और जितनी कहानियां बताओगे उसमें सब मर जाते हैं. वो तो सभी ने मरना. What for are you trying to tell us this? Good God. मतलब, please don't do that. I have seen, certain NGOs I worked with, the top person, हम लोग को allowed नहीं होता 3 kg से ज़्यादा weight. So I was flying back. Between my chemo and radiotherapy, I was flying back because financially, kuch wo March ending aa gayi thi and things like that. I had to go back to Bhopal. I had that time. I flew back. तो तब तो friend के साथ गई. God bless her. What a wonderful woman. I must mention her. I have to mention her. Sonia Rashid of Bhopal. She flew down to be with me during chemo twice over, which is not a small thing. She was like a pillar for me. Another one of the friends, many friends, but one of them. जब मैं वापस आ रही थी, तो there was my hand baggage. Okay, what would you do if you looked around, if you saw somebody looking around, finding help, ki koi utha de wo? You would help out, isn't it? You would immediately say, can I help you? And this lady, she knew me. She knew what I had been through. She moved away. She just moved away. This is just one incident. Then I like to dress in a certain way. And because I've chosen not to color my hair after this thing. So I've been told you should dress your age. Wow, what does that mean? Excuse me. What does that mean? I love dancing. At a friend's party recently, it was after 2.5 years we got together to be able to dance. I danced to my heart. So I could see what was, the reactions and all. So don't do that. Don't be judgmental. You don't know what what the other person. I'm not judgmental. By and large, I am not. Even before this, I was never judgmental. But I wish people wouldn't be so judgmental about others. You see, maybe it's also because I hear a lot of stories of women, even otherwise, because I take histories. So I come to know so much of women. It's not. It's very painful at times. So I feel, please stop being judgmental.
You said such nice things, such motivating things, such like informational, talk. It's been really nice talking to you. I think we could go on forever and ever, hearing you.
Can I say one thing?
Yeah, sure.
Can I say one thing?
Sure.
Friends, I want to tell you one thing. One change which I have brought into myself. One usually, I've been brought up that way to be free and do, sahi kaam karo to usme chupana kya hai? Do it openly. But now I am not even ashamed of saying to anybody, oh yes, I know of a lot of snobs who say, Hindi film music. I said, no, I love it. Very simple example I'm giving you. मेरे को तो पुराने गाने दे दो and leave me alone. I'm happy. सारा दिन मैं तो I'll just go to the washroom, drink water, eat, drink and keep on singing. So I have no such thing. So I love movies. Yes, I love movies. अच्छा अभी भी क्यों नहीं? So I'm just giving you an example. बिंदास हो जाओ. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता और अगर पड़ता भी है तो that is their problem. It isn't yours. It is not yours. Don't carry anybody's expressions, their talk, their statements about you on your head. It is theirs. It's not yours. Just know your own truth, and that's all that matters. This is how I'm trying to now walk my way. It's more for my own self also, Nidhi, that I'm saying it, rather than for everybody. Yeah. It is how I'm trying to teach myself also to walk my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Amita ji. Thank you for your beautiful story, for sharing everything with us. All we can say is a big thank you to you again, and we wish you healthy and happiness and success in your future life.